a special treat for you. Survey says you want to see Mother's Day gifts right now. So let's go ahead and create some beautiful Mother's Day gift basket bags, color-coded by the way. Step 1, let's grab our awesome items. First up, we have a nail clipper set. Then we have this croc keychain, followed by a straw cover, which is very unique. I love that. Then we have a lip mask, hydrating of course. Then we have this beautiful hair claw clip. Then we're gonna get our transparent bookmark that comes with a beautiful colored tassel as well. So we are going to make a single layer gift, and I'll show you what I mean in just a sec. Here's one of the packages we're going to be using. This beautiful notepad that comes with a amazing quote. Now here I'm grabbing some of the packaging that we will need because we will be sticking these on a cardboard. Here is another item. Then we have these beautiful fuzzy socks, very cozy. And of course, shower steamer, and we're going to choose the one that is yellow. Love it. Grabbing just a few more items before we can start packing. All of these pens come with beautiful quotes as well. Then we're going to choose this teddy bear, which is actually a towel. Alright guys, time for the fun part. Let's go ahead and start to assemble our gift. First up, because we are putting these items on a cardboard which will stand up because it is a single layer gift, we will need to put these items in packages because we will be gluing them or using tape to stick them to the cardboard. So let's go ahead and package them up in all of these beautiful little items. This beautiful packaging says, "A beautiful day begins with the smile." Now I love these suspension boxes, but they are for jewelry. But we're going to get creative and use them for other things, such as this really cool croc keychain. Now, with the amount of water bottles that we all have, these creative, cool looking straw covers will come in very handy. Would you believe that this beautiful little bear is a towel? To be honest, I didn't even know it was a towel. But yes, it is a towel. Let's package it up. We are almost there. We just have a few more items to package up so we can start gluing and getting our tape and putting the items on our board. Packaging for these beautiful cozy socks reads, "You had me at hello." Now here you will see me adding some sticky tabs just to close the bag so the socks are secure. Let's go ahead, grab our glue gun, grab our sticky tabs, and start putting our items on the board. First up, we're going to start with our pens because they are the smallest. Alright, there we have the pens. Then we have our lip mask that's in our beautiful little package. Now some of the items are heavier or bigger, so we will need to use the hot glue gun versus using the sticky tabs. And again, depending on the material, that will determine whether we use the glue gun or the sticky tabs. If you want to know where I got the sticky tabs from, I can link them in the description. And here, even though the teddy bear is somewhat large, it is light in weight. So we're going to use the sticky tabs for that. And the last item, which is the bookmark, will be affixed on the bag, inside the bag, because it is light in weight. Let me know in the comments if the purple or the yellow is your favorite. Happy Mother's Day!